Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Notion account step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open your web browser and go to notion.com. You'll see there are two Get Notion Free buttons on this page. I'll be clicking the one in the top right corner. Next, choose how you want to sign up. You can use Google, Apple, or sign up with your email address. In this video, I'll continue using Google, but you can choose any option you prefer. After signing in, Notion will ask a few set of questions, such as how you want to use Notion. You can select any of the options to move on. You may also see options to download the Notion app or connect your calendar. You can choose to download and connect, or simply click Skip to continue without them. Either way, you'll still reach your Notion homepage. Once that's done, you'll be taken directly to your Notion homepage. Your account is now ready to use, and that's it. You successfully created a Notion account. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more.